Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with very important topic, and that is trigeminal neuralgia. My student, this is really very important topic, and this can come as a short note also plus as a long note also. So you are supposed to know this topic very thoroughly. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to know what are the contents you are required to write. Contents, it should include the definition, then intro, etiology, and whenever you're writing the answer in the examination, you're supposed to follow the same sequence. The content should be like this only. Then you will be writing about the trigger zones. This is very important, very important question, star mark. Then you will be writing DD, that is differential diagnosis. You will be also explaining about what is VAS scale, and then at last is the treatment plan. So let's get started one by one. Let's start from the definition. Trigeminal neuralgia is a condition that causes intense pain similar to an electric shock on one side of the face. Okay, on one side of the face. It is very important to remember. Intro. The pain is sharp, lacerating, orofacial pain, and it lasts for few seconds only. It is unilateral, mostly right side of the face is affected. The pain radiating it follows the course of the nerve. Okay, the pain follows the course of the trigeminal nerve. It is also known as Fothergill's disease, trifacial neuralgia, and tic-Douloureux. You need to know the other names also, and it is very important for you to know. You will not be doing any spelling mistake in the exams. Okay, now it basically involves the following nerves. V2 and V3 are mostly involved. V1, that is the ophthalmic nerve, is rarely involved, and it is affecting the age group of 20 to 80 years, means a long range age group. Now let's see the etiology. Superior cerebral artery, when it compresses the trigeminal nerve in elderly people, it causes trigeminal neuralgia. Superior cerebral artery is compressing the trigeminal nerve in elderly people, and in young patient, the presence of meningioma, it compress the trigeminal nerve. In following systemic diseases like multiple sclerosis, and in viral diseases like herpes zoster virus. Now let's see the trigger zones. On face, the trigger zones involve cheek, ala of the nose, and the corner of the mouth. Intraoral, it involves alveolus. And while chewing the food, shaving, speaking, smiling, exposure to the wind, it triggers the painful episode. All of these can trigger the painful episode. Okay, now let's see what could be the differential diagnosis of the trigeminal neuralgia. It could be cracked tooth syndrome, glossopharyngeal neuralgia, post-herpetic neuralgia, geniculate neuralgia, headache, migraine, or maxillary sinusitis. My student, one very important thing, whenever questions come in long note form, you are supposed to write the entire notes that I have given you, means these notes from where I am teaching you. And if suppose the question is 15 marks or 10 marks, and you really want to write something more, then what you can write apart from this, you can just define any of these DD. Means you can define cracked tooth syndrome, or you can define glossopharyngeal neuralgia, in order to gain good marks. Means if the question question comes in 10 marks or the 15 marks, then you are also required to explain the DD of the trigeminal neuralgia in order to fetch good marks. Okay, now let's see what is VAS scale. So visual analog scale is very important. This is the scale which is used to rate the pain. Okay, So in this scale, the rating is from 0 to 10. As you can see the scale, the rating starts from 0 and it goes up to 10. Okay, the mostly pain rated of trigeminal neuralgia, the pain basically rated from 8 to 10 only. Okay, so what it does, this scale basically evaluate the pain severity, the severity of the pain, relief and the improvement. So it is basically a scale which gives you rating from 0 to 10, and in trigeminal neuralgia the pain basically rates from 8 to 10 only. Okay, there is one more questionnaire, that is Mangel's pain questionnaire. Nowadays we do not use this questionnaire, rather the VAS scale is a better option, so we have switched to the VAS scale. So let's see what is there in this Mangal pain questionnaire. It basically has a 70 questions. It also helps to know the kind of the pain, but nowadays we follow VAS scale only. Okay, now let's see what is the treatment of the trigeminal neuralgia. Now the drug of choice is carbamazepine. It is we usually give 10 to 10 mg per day TDS. 100 mg per day TDS, and the minimum dose is 200 mg per day, and it can go up to 1300 mg per day. Okay, now we do not give carbamazepine for more than 3 to 4 months. Okay, if we are giving this drug to the patient for more than 3 to 4 months, then patient can develop the following symptoms or side effects like erythema multiforme, bone marrow depression and aplastic anemia. So we are not supposed to continue this drug for more than 3 to 4 months. Okay, and I have already told you about the minimum dose. It could be 200 mg and it can go up to the 1300 mg per day. Now we can give carbamazepine along with baclofen. It is a muscle relaxant, and we give 5 mg or 10 mg per day. Okay, if there is no relief with the following drug, or patient cannot tolerate this drug, then we can go for gabapentin 300 mg BD or TDS, and oxcarbazepine 300 mg BD. And the side effect of this drug are sleepiness, patient feel drowsy and lethargy. We can also give pregabalin 75 mg. It is more effective in dull neuropathic pain. Pregabalin 75 mg is more effective in dull neuropathic pain. Okay, so these are the drugs that you can give to the patient. Now let's see the surgical treatment. In surgical treatment, we give nerve block, bupivacaine, with or without corticosteroids. We inject alcohol in the nerve, that is 0.5 to 2 ml of 95% absolute alcohol. We can do neurectomy, acupuncture, topical capsaicin. It is a pigment, it is a chemical that is found in the chilies. We can also do balloon microcompression. So this is the surgical treatment. So that's it for trigeminal neuralgia. I have covered everything that is required for you to know, from definition, intro, etiology, trigger zones, DD, its VAS scale and the treatment. This is very, very, very important star mark question. It can come in long note as well as in short note form. So you are supposed to write this topic under the content, under the following headings, and if you will be following these headings, so you will be scoring really good marks. And if the question comes in a long note, like for 10 marks or for 15 marks, you can also include the little bit detail of these differential diagnosis, like you can explain about, you can write about the cracked tooth syndrome, either for glossopharyngeal neuralgia or post-herpetic neuralgia, headache, migraine or maxillary sinusitis, any of these. So it will give you more marks. So that's it for it. Thank you so much.